We at Cordtec Power Corporation are proud to announce we will be exhibiting at the annual meeting for the Radiological Society of North America. This takes place during the first week of December in downtown Chicago at the McCormick Center by the lake. During this trade show, we will get the chance to connect with professionals in the medical field, more specifically, clinical engineer managers. Clinical engineers are tasked with keeping hospital equipment in working order. Since the majority of hospital equipment requires electricity, that's where our expertise comes into play. We will be exhibiting on the third floor of the North Hall, close to the lounge, in booth number 8245. There you can expect to see a sample of our various power supply solutions, along with a hands-on demonstration of how they will work with hospital equipment, like mobile data cards. Flyers with all of our different power supply solutions will also be available to take home. So come on down and check us out. There will be lots to see and learn.